11:40 p.m. on July 4th, Gopal Khemka, a well-known businessman and BJP backer from Bihar, was shot dead near his residence in Patna. CCTV images show Khemka getting ambushed and shot at point-blank range by a lone bike-borne shooter wearing helmet, who had been waiting near his house. Khemka was a prominent figure in Bihar's business community. He owned Patna's oldest private hospital and was also the director of the Bankipur Club. Khemka had close ties with the BJP and was widely respected in the region. In a chilling twist, this murder comes nearly 6 years after his son, Gunjan Khemka, was killed in a similar manner. The police have formed a special investigation team to nab the killer and plotters. Top sources suggest that the murder was planned from Biur jail by a gangster named Ajay Verma. It is believed that the motive behind the killing was a land dispute, and authorities are also looking into the possibility of a contract killing. As the investigation unfolds, the political temperature is rising. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has sharply criticized the NDA government. He has called out Chief Minister Nitish Kumar for turning Bihar into what he called India's crime capital.
लगातार बीच राजधानी के जिस तरह से कानून व्यवस्था खत्म होती जा रही है, वो बलात्कार हो, वो हत्याएं हो, वो लूटपाट हो, पुलिस तक पर हमला हो, ये गुंडा राज नहीं है तो और क्या है? ये एनडीए का, बीजेपी का एक गुंडा राज है.
It's not just the opposition. NDA leaders are also questioning the law and order situation in Bihar.
मेरे लिए चिंता का विषय है कि मैं जिस सरकार का समर्थन कर रहा हूं और मैं दुखी हूं इस बात से कि जो सरकार सुशासन के लिए जानी जाती थी, वो सरकार में अगर इस तरीके से आपराधिक घटनाएं बढ़ेंगी तो विपक्ष को तो बोलने का मौका मिलेगा ही. कहीं ना कहीं कहां चूक हुई है, ये हम लोगों को सुधारना होगा.
Top Nitish mantris have visited Khemka's residence and vowed to bring justice.
गोपाल खेमका जी की हत्या ये हमारे लिए चुनौती का विषय है. माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने एसआईटी गठन किया है और स्पष्ट निर्देश दिया है, कहीं भी छुपा अपराधी हो उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई होगा.
The crime in the heart of Bihar's capital comes just months ahead of elections in the state and can put the Nitish Kumar government in the dock for failure on the law and order front.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.